Hello and welcome to another episode of the CIO Files, our special series where we profile CIOs, CTOs and other IT leaders who are helping India Incorporated drive innovation using technology. The good part about technology, of course, is the fact that it pops up in the most unexpected of places. So, well, if you're used to seeing banks, retail outlets, telecoms use technology, what about a fashion house? Yes, one of India's top global brands, Ritu Kumar, decided that she needed to use some business intelligence in her enterprise, and let's see how she went about it.
It's one of the biggest names in the Indian fashion industry. It's dressed the likes of late Princess Diana and Jemima Khan, to name a few. And its true source are every young Indian bride's dream. Welcome to the fashionable world of Ritu Kumar. From hand-block printers and two tables in a small village near Calcutta 4 decades ago, the company Ritika Private Limited, or Ritu Kumar as you know it, today boasts of 24 outlets, including one in New Jersey, USA. But with the industry growing at a brisk pace thanks to the purchasing power of the growing middle class and with fashion designers mushrooming to cash in on the latest fads, Ritu Kumar realized that a keen fashion sense was not the only requisite to stay in business.
We don't have a fashion-oriented solution. We have a retail solution and we have a production solution. The production solution is the same that we use the same one that say large exporters etc. would use. The only problem, the difference with us is the fact that we have, like I said, a requirement to be far more flexible than the exporters perhaps do. They get an order of X number of pieces, boom, 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 they get it out for us. It's always, we change midstream, we use the elements from X, Y, Z. So that is a challenge for any application. The only difference in a fashion business would be that if you're a little more boutique oriented, if your requirements are more flexible, that becomes more of a challenge. And yes, there is no off-the-shelf solution available for someone like us, for example.
With branches spread across the country, the top management was finding it difficult to streamline the processes. To make informed, high-impact decisions, Ritu Kumar needed quick access to critical information and data across their whole line. Fast, simple and comprehensive real-time data analytics solution that could structure its vast data, provide a consolidated picture of the organization and assist in strategic decision-making.
We went into a dual application for production and retail. So there are two separate solutions we have. We couldn't find a solution that was vertically integrated like we are. So we had to find two separate solutions and join the two up. So we have one that's primarily a production-oriented software application and the other which is a purely retail-oriented one. We needed to get a BI software third application that would actually put together the information the way we wanted it to.
But realizing that a made-to-measure solution won't be available for the fashion industry, Ritu Kumar turned to their annual maintenance contract partner team to provide them with a business intelligence solution tailored to meet their demands and needs. And Team Computers proposed the Swedish company QlikTech's business intelligence tool, QlikView.
They brought in this application. It's a Swedish-based application. So they came to us with a presentation. It looked good. We just went with these guys because we know them and we trust them. And I like the application the way it was. And they understand our business already, because they do IAMC. So they have an idea of what our softwares require, what kind of loads they have, what are the responses of the hardware, etc.
If finding a solution that could be customized to the needs of the industry was tough, then worse was integrating the existing two solutions.
I think the biggest challenge for us and for anyone would be if you are trying to combine two applications into one BI. It's going to be a nightmare because essentially you're talking about two different data table setup. Right? You're looking at completely different languages of the two to be combined into saying the same thing when you got your application out. The basic implementation with respect to our retail side took no time at all, because that was quite straightforward. But then the integration of the two and the kind of reports you need from production all the way to sale, that takes time.
Using QlikView, Ritu Kumar has now been able to conduct real-time analysis of reports, which has accelerated strategic decision-making as the management had access to the big picture on the geographically designed QlikView dashboard. For instance, to see how well the sub-brand label is doing, a simple click on the name and sales report would do the trick. It even provides information on which store in which location is doing well, and in particular what design and what colors are selling more.
The most core part of our business is the buyer, merchandiser, sales team, so to speak. For them to be quick and efficient is critical. They need to know on a day-to-day basis what exactly is going on in the shops and how best to react to it, speedily. Now, it's not that we couldn't have done that with just the solutions, the applications provided, but this takes it to another level altogether.
With the BI solution firmly in place, Ritu Kumar is certain that there won't be any malfunctions to worry about anymore.
I think in the next 5 to 7 years, almost double the number of locations we have. Whether it be through partners or our own direct expansion, I don't know. But double is not an unrealistic number at this stage.